we are in this cave. But what is so special about this cave? Just look around. Isn't this cool? I'm here to see these cave paintings. You know what the interesting part about these paintings is? These paintings were made by the cavemen almost 35,000 years ago. Which means these paintings are way older than our grandparents. And there are so many of these. I was counting them, but not able to keep track of the number of paintings as there are so many of them. I almost gave up just when I noticed this. But what is so special about these lines and slashes? Well, these are no ordinary lines. What makes them so interesting is that these lines were used by humans from the Stone Age to count things, which can be clearly seen in these cave paintings. We call these special lines tally marks. The tally marks are still used to count and keep track of things easily. But how do we count using these tally marks? Let's count the number of bulls in this herd. We will make lines to represent the number of bulls. So, 1, 2, 3, and 4. But wait. If we will just continue to do this, there will be too many lines. So what do we do now? Let's slash these 4 lines to represent a set of 5. Back to counting the bulls. 5, 6, and 7. So this is how tally marks work. Interesting, right? Now back to counting these paintings. Only if I had a way to count the elements in these paintings efficiently. Wait, I can use tally marks for this. Let's do it, shall we? So first, we need to create a table. No, not like a study table. This table is used to organize data using rows and columns. Wait, I'll show you how it's done. So first, we create a box, something like this. Then, we divide it into 2 columns, one for the paintings and one for the tally marks. Then, we create a row to name these columns. Now, we again divide the table to create 2 more rows, one for the paintings of animals and one for the paintings of people. So now when we have created our table, what would be the next step? Correct? Start counting by making tally marks. I'll just start making marks as I see the paintings. Bull, bull, man, tribe, herd of bulls, man, dancing people, bulls running, elephant, elephant, man, tribe, bonfire dance, cow, man with spear. That was easy. Now, let's count. So, I have counted 7 paintings of animals. Would you like to help me to find out the number of human paintings? Which one is the correct answer? Yes, you got it. There are 8 paintings of the people. This was fun, wasn't it? Now, let's have a quick recap of the things which we learned today. The tally marks have existed since Stone Age. They are used to make counting easier. And finally, the tables are used to organize data. Now, I should move on to count the other paintings in this cave. Meanwhile, you can try counting the number of pages on your notebook using tally marks. And remember, we stay curious.